Hello all. In 6th class science we are in the lesson playing with magnets. So now we are going to discuss our next topic, that is how to make our own magnetic compass. In your home, if you want to make a magnetic compass, how to prepare that? For that, you need a magnetized needle. What is the meaning of magnetized needle? Means you have to convert the needle like magnet. Magnet is going to attract the iron substances. In the same way, now you have to make it needle also to attract some iron substances. For that, what we have to do? Suppose this is a needle. You have to take a magnet and you have to rub continuously on the needle. Then it turns into a magnetized needle. After that, we need a light cork. Maybe you can take a cardboard sheet, or else you can also even take light wood. Cork is nothing but wood, lightweight wood you can take. And then what you have to do, tape the needle, magnetized needle, to a light cork. You can see here cork is there. You can take a cardboard piece or else lightweight wood. Then you have to stick the needle to the cork in this way. You have to stick the needle. After that, you have to take a glass of water. First you have to prepare cork and needle which is stick to the cork, keep it aside. Then you have to take a glass of water. In that water you have to add little bit of detergent. Why do we need to add detergent in the water? If you add detergent in the water, it helps the cork to float freely. It should float, so that's why we have to add detergent. Now on the glass of water, you have to place the cork. Cork should be floating on the water, it should not sink. Cork, it will be very lightweight, so lightweight compared to the water, so definitely it is going to float on the water. Okay, after floating on the water, you just move the cork with your hands. A light movement you give with your hands, then you can see the cork will move. The cork will move and it comes to rest. If you observe properly, it comes to rest in north south direction only. The needle, wherever this pointed needle stops, that will be north direction. Wherever this pointed needle will stop, that will be your north direction. So down, obviously it will be south direction. So in this way you can prepare your magnetic compass. First you have to take a magnetized needle, then you have to take a cork, lightweight cork, then you have to stick the needle to the cork, then take a glass of water, add detergent in the water, place the cork on the water and just you move it. The needle will comes to rest. So wherever this pointed mark is going to stop, then that will be your north direction. So down it will be south direction. Like this you can prepare a magnet in your home. And next we have a small activity to know about magnetic induction. What is this magnetic induction? If you want to know about magnetic induction, first we have to perform an activity. First we have to bring a bar magnet and safety pin. You need a bar magnet and a safety pin. Bring the safety pin close to the bar magnet. When you bring the safety pin close to the bar magnet, what happens? It will attract, it will attach to the magnet. Okay, because this is a magnet, this is a magnetic material. You all know safety pin is made up of iron, or so it is a magnetic material, it is a magnetic substance. Safety pin is a magnetic substance. So here safety pin is the magnetic substance. So this safety pin will be attracted towards the magnet. All the magnetic substances will be attracted towards the magnet, as you have seen. Now what you have to do, get an awl pin. You know awl pin they will be using to secure the papers. So get one awl pin and get one awl pin, but don't place the awl pin near the magnet. Don't place near the magnet. Place the awl pin near the safety pin. Place the awl pin near the safety pin. If you see, both are iron materials, but also it is getting attracted. Iron awl pin is getting attracted to the safety pin. Both are magnetic substances. Here no, you did not place the awl pin near the magnet, but also it is getting attracted to the safety pin. Why this is happening? Why? Because this magnetic property, magnet has the magnetic property. So this magnetic property will be passed to the safety pin. So for a little period of time, safety pin also behaves like a magnet. So that's why whenever you place awl pin, it gets attracted to the safety pin. That is nothing but magnetic induction. This magnetic property, I repeat, magnet has some magnetic property. Magnet has some magnetic property. This magnetic property will be passed to the safety pin for a period of time. Only for a short period of time it is going to pass to the safety pin. So for a short period of time, the safety pin also starts acting like a magnet. That's why whenever you place this awl pin near to the safety pin, it gets attracted. So this is magnetic induction. Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of magnet near it. So what they are saying you? Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance. Magnetic substance got magnetic property. But how it got magnetic property? Due to the magnet which is present here. Okay. So this is about the magnetic induction. So these are the topics which are present in playing with magnets. In the next class, we are going to come up with a next topic.